먼저 장길분의 브리지든 속에 차서디 헌팅턴 애비뉴 디 달라마 애비뉴 달라마 슐람을 규르토디 페먼스 가우 총송 저디 먼저 장길분의 브리지든 속에 귤레기 뇌네 진더 시베기 제바 중이 니도 주군네 송체 리치먼기 총들 현소 라야 슈규지 퓨레 디나로 조디 캠무르무지 공로 게주 geb실이야 페 라니베 투제 캐바체 디다 떡든체 먼저기 누군이 슈레 직디 진도 듬베 세바 투디 캠무르무지 니무세 달라마 델라니 제 세라나고 시슈에 직다 니오디 나라도 초바디 리치먼 통계라 차디 유티고서 라바도 캠무르무지 니동 줍실이야 샵 초간래 샵자 유티고서 तीन सिंह की कैमरा मुझे कि ताजे केजी नांगलो लिया सीधे अच्छा में बत थोल लिया अंचे जब ठेले सम की मुझे बच्चे क्यों ना युद्ध को खोंग लिया छेदो दां सिंगदो की छेदो अनि हंटिंगटन एवेन्यू दी दलमा एवेन्यू लो जुरो छि शुचे तादी रिंबा मंगुची पेयो रे 먼저 शुसे기 미망수면에 찬다 라야체 되는 신기하니 단다 Parks and Recreation Commission 총중 나눈에 갑주 첨부지 톱전 디기 잡녀를 때전 드린 종들 해서 나야 지메기 토는 갑주 중도부터 무식이 가수 첨부 중송 될야 무슈 주스네 갑주낭에 솔야 닝 타고네 투체나 세슈도 중스나
상황 테스트링 이미는 자연된 주의 장 캘리포니아 이 거리주된 소복 소션이 아니 다른 가수서 될 헌팅턴 애비뉴인데 달라마 애비뉴라 소투버딜라 페미시미데 가수 첨부 중송 다른 가수 산일의 슈게기 더버 몽지 페데시아 남부 참말라 두지체 쉐이 미세기 종디기 종근 City Council की mayor Tom Bartan and the Misegi in the Legadi Chudu Toku Namke and the City Council की member Water Martin and Nisla Paragi Matsu Saja Chasa Digi Nami Reri Chilan Drone sign do under Chundi Yore Ani Tagana did an Chebigi and City Council की member Samalaya Yin Tambung Nama Samalaya Tujiche Shui Tuche.
Street to Dahlia Lama Avenue. This request was approved by the Recreation and Parks Commission on August 7, 2019. We have two speakers for this item.
Councilor Martinez, would you like to introduce this item?
Yes, I would. The Richmond community is a fantastic group of people within the city of Richmond. They have contributed much to our culture. They have their temple, which is right on Barrett, but they also have a cultural center on Huntington. Huntington has one block that is separated from the rest of Huntington. Their I-80 separates the two. So a lot of times when people come looking for the cultural center, they end up on the wrong side of the freeway, driving back and forth, trying to figure out where the cultural center is. So the idea of changing that one block in the name of the Dalai Lama, who is one of the most respected individuals on earth today, was the best solution for solving this problem. I did the work of going up and down the entire length of Huntington Avenue and taking a poll of all the people who lived on that street, asking for their opinion, and only one or two had no opinion, and everyone else was unanimously, or rather, very strongly in favor of the name change. This is done. This is being done in time for the recognition of the Dalai Lama, which was happening on October the 12th, I believe. Is that correct? On October the 12th. And so it could not happen at a better time. And hopefully we'll be able to have the signs changed before October the 11th. With that, I'd like to hear from the speakers if there are any.
Okay, any questions from council members? Okay, call the speakers.
Speakers are Jan Yang, Don Duck, and Tenzin Randall.
My name is Jayan Kundu, and I'm the Vice President of Tibetan Association of Northern California. On behalf of all the people in the community, I would like to thank all all the residents of Hanjin Avenue and the Recreation and Park Commission for making this process of renaming a portion of Hanjin Avenue to Dallam Avenue. So thank you so much. And I would like to thank the Mayor Turnbull and the City Council member Martinez for doing this, and we are so grateful to this. So I hope you all vote for this unanimously, because we have Sunday school in the area, and we teach them our language and culture and everything. So Dallam is not able to come to here because he's in the 84 years old, and Dallam Avenue is very important for us. So I think that you guys can understand for this and place in the word the unanimously. Thanks so much.
My name is Tenzin, and I'm the former president of Tibetan Association. And so Councilmember Yuata Martinez and Mayor Tomba, you've been very supportive when this item was actually put forward in the month of April. And from there, the work started with the petitions and coming before the Parks and Recreation Commission, where we got the majority support with one assembly almost unanimous. So with that, with the approval and the recommendation from the Parks and Recreation Commission, we are here with the large number of Tibetan community. As you can see, how much this Ordinance of Dalai Lama signifies for Tibetans and for peace and non-violence. I'm very grateful for the city of Richmond for various things that they have done for the Tibetan community in Richmond. As you all know, that one of the reasons why we put forward this is because His Holiness the Dalai Lama visited and blessed the Tibetan Association of Richmond in Huntington right now, which will soon be changed to the Dalai Lama Avenue in 2014. So with that, and also the vast contribution that His Holiness the Dalai Lama had made towards the global peace and non-violence, he is still he's 84 years old and still working for the peace and non-violence in this world, not only for the Tibetan freedom and struggle. So with that, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. I hope, and I'm very hopeful and confident that this will be passed unanimously, and the city will be able to support with the cost of only one signage. Only just one signage, and so this could be done. If this could be done before October 17, which would be the yearly commemoration of the gold medal ceremony award to His Holiness Dalai Lama. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. So.
Okay, let's vote.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
The vote is unanimous.
근데 총도 디컵이야 주제 디톨이야 미망기 면에 섬주시에기 까만니린 걸 고급요래 안데 갑이야 말한서 소션 까면나요래 안데 갑라 이면에 소송면에 총미지 미차네 계제시에 고급 주다 디 나올이야 나도 조디 리치먼드 통들 현소 면에 로뚜마 베베기네도 다 티니싱이 경으로 뭐 제버티는이야 잡도 때문에 나오더라 닌타본 투치나 쉐 찍다 단단네도 디톨이야 개좀 가르쳐도 보시면 깨물은 무치 말한서 범위 좀 모임비기 개진 능로리야 대체 대구 친구 유비기 우디 양다고지 차디기 유도 거서 대기 유게를 대체 근데 이 주주 디톨이야 근데 렌즈 요네 찜밀부터니까 그 제거디 뼈무시기 개중도 쉐지기 토네 아니가 대 섬주시에게 고급 중소시에 쉐
Nye nalo la she gecha gi nidun zoro di chagdu tanda nga zu John California gi president soba chasa gi saja di na nalo la nga zu gi 정그럼 지 군시도 투입이기 임데 내가 가르가르 치고요. 배샤샤나 산유 형막이 더더 초야 추단 리숑라야 라소바 아무지 제대로리 디에라 디에 단다 디 시티 카운슬 기 사제 디 나노라 차디고리 아니 로 nga zu han to la yin ba yin chang rom chin de sani la de le the shosu ku tu ba chung re dan de cha la cha sha ba na gong lu bu cha na yung tu me ba song song zang pe tu me ba song zang nga zu san yu nyang ma il ta de cho bi ka la ya mong be gi sun za de ge na la chang rom chi yi chen dan de wa yu bi de sani chen la 피 유 상상 그 로직에 그 치도 백해 좀 차고 두스는 데 쉬어 좀소
그렇잖아.
나와라 나와 기다려라 기다려